Hi kids! And now on page 2, and we take a look at our questions. Karen had some toys. She lent 3 toys to her friends Elsie. And now Karen had 5 toys. And we need to find how many toys did she have. So kids, do you know how many toys Karen have now? Yes, she has 5 toys now. And then she lent 3 toys to her friend. So, those toys belongs to her at the beginning? Yes, it belongs to Karen. So, we write down 5 plus 3. So, what is the answer? 5 plus 3? Yes, it's 8. She had 8 toys at the beginning. And now please turn to page 4 and take a look at our questions. There are 10 hamsters in all. You can only see 5 hamsters because the rest of the hamsters are covered with a cloth, so you can't see them now. We need to find how many hamsters are under the cloth. So do you know what is the total number of hamsters? Yes, there are 10 hamsters in all. And now you can only see 5 hamsters. So write down 5 here. And should it be 10 plus 5 or 10 minus 5? Remember, we need to find the number of hamsters under the cloth. Yes, it should be minus 10 minus 5. So what is the answer? Yes, it equals to 5. 5 hamsters are under the cloth. And now please turn to page 6. Okay, and we take a look at our questions. Rose had some beautiful skirt, but her dog is very naughty. It broke 4 of the skirt. And now she only has 2 skirts left. And we need to find how many skirts did she have. So kids, do you know how many skirts was broken by her dog? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 broken skirts. So are those skirts belongs to Rose? Yes. So we write down 4 here. And now she had 2 skirts left. 1, 2. So we write down 2 in the number sentence. 4 plus 2. And then we can find the number of skirts she had at the beginning. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So she has 6 skirts in the beginning. Now we turn to page 7. Take a look at the first question. May, a little girl, had some dolls on her bed. And she was playing and threw a few dolls out of the bag. When her mom came in to check on her, she saw 2 dolls on the floor and 3 dolls on the bed. And we need to find how many dolls did May have on her bed in the beginning. Okay, first of all, kids, do you know how many dolls are on the floor now? Yes, there are 2 dolls on the floor. Are these 2 dolls on the bed in the beginning? Yes, so we write down 2 here. And now, how many dolls are still on the bed? Yes, there are 3 dolls are still on the bed. So, should 2 plus 3 or 2 minus 3? Yes, it should be plus. So 2 plus 3, what is the answer? Yes, it's 5. So she have 5 dolls in the beginning. And then we take a look at the second questions. So it said every student in the school gets 1 carton of milk. And then 7 cartons of milk are given out. A few students finish their milk quickly. 4 students are still drinking. And we need to find how many students are finished with the milk. So, do you know how many students in total? In the question, we know that every student in the school can get 1 carton of milk and 7 cartons of milk are given out. So there are 7 students. How many students are still drinking the milk? Yes, there are 4 students still drinking the milk. And now we need to find how many students are finished with the milk. So should we write 7 plus 4 or 7 minus 4? Yes, it should be minus 7 minus 4. What is the answer? Yes, equals to 3. There are 3 students are finished with the milk. Okay, now please turn to page 9 and take a look at the first R question. Angela put 2 more erasers into the box to make 5 altogether. That means there are 5 erasers in the box now. And we need to find how many erasers were there in the box before. So, do you know how many erasers are in the box now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 erasers in the box now. So we write down 5 here. So, how many more erasers did Angela put into the box? Yes, Angela put 2 more erasers into the box. And now we need to find how many erasers were there in the box before. Are these 2 erasers in the box before? No. So should we write 5 plus 2 or 5 minus 2? Because the 2 erasers were not in the box before, so it should be minus 5 minus 2. So what is the answer? We cross out 2 erasers. So now how many erasers left? Yes, it's 3. There are 3 erasers in the box before. And then we take a look at the second R questions. There are some children playing in the yard. And 4 children run out of the yard. 3 children are now left in the yard. And we need to find how many children were there at first. So, kids, do you know how many children were still in the yard now? Yes, 3 children. So, how many children run out of the yard? 4. Although they ran out of the yard, they were in the yard at first, so we plus 4. 3 plus 4, what is the answer? Yes, it's 7. So there were 7 children in the yard at first. And now please turn to page 10. So in this page, it is the same as the exercise before. We need to find how many beads are under the cloth. And now we know that there are 7 beads in all. So to do this question, what should we do now? Yes, we should count how many beads we can see now, which is those not covered by the cloth. So how many beads can we see now? Yes, we can see 4 beads, right? There are 7 beads in total. And now we can see 4 beads. So we write down 7 minus 4. So it equals to 3. So 3 beads are under the cloth. So we draw 3 beads here. 2, free. So for the rest of the question, please try to do it by yourself. Count the number of beads that you can see and then find the beads under the cloth.